Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this package of chocolate, and it is a brand known as Toblerone of Switzerland. Tiny Toblerone. So it's a Switzerland company. Swiss milk chocolate with honey and almonds nougat. I don't know what is nougat. Almond is okay for me, but nougat I don't know. Yes, over here this is the pack size of 200 grams. Just flip it. What else? Nothing else. The ingredient, nutritional information, all this is mentioned. Made in Switzerland, net weight, everything same. Over here, as you can see, they have some arrows over here, so that indicates that you have to tear the package from here. So no need for scissor and all. I'm gonna do it. See how easily it came. And these are the very short chocolates. Small, short, small, short. So, one is left inside the package. I'm gonna open one for you and show you how it looks like. So this is how the big as well as the small comes, and how to eat. Someone open it like this, right? But this is not the correct way. You need to open it like this. Okay, I have seen somewhere you need to put it down and then you have to break it in proper layer. Amazing, man. The taste of milk, chocolate, almonds, everything is coming in my mouth. So hope you have learned how to break it. You want, I can show you again. So the right way is to place your thumb like it and do it like this. This is the way how to break it. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.